Y'all now listening to my man official. Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching Global Tales. First of all, I would like to thank for Radisson Blue for providing us such beautiful location for shooting. They have an amazing restaurant opening today that is named called Scene. It is a beautiful restaurant, so you must check it out. All the details about the restaurant I will put in my description. So I would recommend just check their website out and the details about the restaurant. Now talking about today's video, I know you were all expecting a challenge on next Monday, but I am preponing the challenge and uploading it today itself because I want you to follow it for the next 7 days and don't want you to delay and wait for the Monday to take up this challenge. Just wanted you to start on Sunday itself. That's why I'm posting it on Friday. And on Monday, I'll be posting a very special video that you must check. Now talking about today's video is really very special as you were all requesting me to do a full body workout challenge. Here I am up, but not typical exercises. It's a fun, very effective cardio workout, that is Zumba. We have 7 specific effective moves that are very effective, that let you burn a lot of calories, and along with that it is a fun and interesting video because I'm going to share 7 fun facts about me as well, as we are a family now and I really want you to know me much more, and that's why I will share some 7 fun facts that are very secretive and very few people know about me. So I just want you to get to know me one step closer, and here I am up with 7 fun facts about me along with the 7 days challenge. So I hope you'll find this challenge useful and you'll get closer to me and we build a very strong relationship. So yeah, I hope you find this useful. Before heading towards the video, I would request you all to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be uploading so many more fitness videos, many challenges and many other videos that will promote health and fitness in your life. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be up with new videos every Monday and Friday and many other bonus videos in between the week. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Honestly, I don't like the taste of milk. I know it's very much weird again, but I really don't like the taste of milk, but health overcomes my taste buds feeling and I have to have it because otherwise the vitamin D deficiency will be there in my body and the calcium won't be absorbed and many other problems. So all you must drink milk. Even if you don't like its taste like me, you have to have it. I have a very weird habit of studying with my TV on. I know very few people do that, but I am best productive when I have some other voice also that's going on in my head. So I keep my TV on when I study, and I have been doing it since I was in 6th standard, and I've cleared my boards, my engineering with keeping my TV on. So it's again a random fact about me. So, a very fun fact about me is that I like comic movies a lot. I am a fan of Bollywood masala movies, and I am someone who doesn't like dark movies, and when I go to movies I keep my head off and I really enjoy that time to enjoy myself, have some fun and not use my mind at all in what kind of thrill is going on. I just want to keep it light and simple, and I am someone who loves comic movies. my favorite pastime is to chit chat with my grandparents. I feel really incomplete if in a day I don't get to talk with them, or due to my work I'm not able to give 15 to 10, 20 minutes to them. I really feel incomplete about it, and that's why no matter where I am, what I do, I just take out 15 to 20 minutes out of my day and talk to them, and I feel really very special. So yeah, this is something that I do and I really wanted to share.
Y'all now listening to my man official. Yeah.
Again, it's a very weird fact, but I am very much scared of birds. I get very much insecure and get very scared when there is a bird in a closed space or a confined area. So it's again a very random and a true fact about me. So if you ever send me a picture of bird or anything, I really don't like it because I'm really very scared of it. I don't know why, it's a weird thing, but everyone loves birds. I'm very scared of it, and specifically in a confined area. I don't have problem in an open area, but in confined area I cannot take it. I can't do my own makeup. I know you all have been saying this on my Instagram, and you know that I can't do my own makeup. Always something is missing. Either my kajal is not right, either my lipstick is not right, either my hair are not right, and I know that, and I'm just learning. I'm just a beginner in makeup. Soon I will be a pro for sure, but yes, for now I don't know how to do my own makeup. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this useful. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your questions and I get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I upload many more fitness videos and many other challenges and many other videos that promote health and fitness in your life on every Monday and Friday. Also, if you want to follow me regarding my life updates and what I do regularly, you can follow me on Instagram, Somya_Luhadia. Something will be popping here. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, I hope you find this video useful. Follow it for the next 7 days, and yeah, bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.